Okay guys, evaluate 0.08 divided by 0.2 plus 0.6. So decimal siya, division and addition. So before addition, ipiperform muna natin ang division. 0.08 divided by 0.02. So hindi na natin papakita kung paano siya i-divide. That is 0.4. 0.08 divided by 0.2, that is 0.4 plus 0.6. Then 0.4 plus 0.6, that is equals to 1.0 or simply 1. Okay, so kung gusto nyo ang decimal, madali lang siya. Then, another way is, ita-transform natin siya sa fraction. Ang 0.08, that is 8 over 100. 8 hundredths divided by 2 tenths. 2 over 10 plus 6 tenths. So, that is 8 over 100. Then, that is division ng fraction. Magiging multiplication siya, but reciprocal ng divisor. 2 over 10, 10 over 2, plus 6 over 10. Then, cancel siya 4 sa 8. Then, sa 10, 10, 1. Sa 100, 10, 10. Then, 4 over 10 na lang. Plus 6 over 10. Since parehas ang denominator, add natin ang numerator. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So, parehas lang din ang sagot.